So quick video here on question Qa2 2024 DB mock exam for Dcg leaving cert higher. So we've got a bit of trimetric here. Alright, the onometric axes, the drawing on the right shows a set of trimetric axes, okay, and the elevation and plan of a similar clock in the diagram or the graphics down below is shown. Alright, draw the axonometric projection of the clock. Right, so we're going to take our set square and we're going to go parallel to the line x-axis here. We're going to project these points down. I'm just going to adjust the angle of that. So I'm going to bring them down parallel to the x-axis. Now I'm going to get the corresponding points 1/2 here in plan. 1, 2. So I'm going to bring 1 and 2 up. So a heavy line there, there's 1. Here's 2. Heavy line. Okay, can join them together. Okay, I bring this point down, this one down. Alright, 4/3, 4 and 3. So I'm going to bring 4 and 3 up. I'm going to heavy, there's 3 to 4. So 4, 3. Okay, now I'm going to bring the other side up. So I'm going to call this 5/6. 5, 6. So I'm going to bring 6 down, 5 down, and I'm going to bring 5 up. Okay, and then 6 is up already. So there's 6, and I can heavy to 5 there. So 5, 6. Now 7 and 8. 7/8. So I'm going to bring 7 and 8 up. Okay, now here's point 7. Okay, and here's point 8. Careful not to hit on the wrong line. So I can heavy them together. Now I can join the base of the clock there. There as well. Now want to get the points on the back, so I can bring this one here up to 8 there. I can also draw a heavy line up to there. Okay, I can join these together, and I can join these together, then join these together. Okay, now we have just the points there to do on the arcs left, right? Okay, so I'm going to get my compass, or I won't get my compass, I shall just go across in 5 mils, I'd say. So it's 20 in total, okay, roughly. So I go at 5 and 5 there. There's the apex. So I need to get these up onto the curve. So I'm going to go parallel to the axis here. On this side. Okay, I'm going to call this A, B, C. I need to locate points A, B, C in plan. So we went 5, that's point A, point B is at 10, and point C is there. Now I'm going to bring points A, B and C up. Now I'm going to bring these points down, A down, So there's point A, point B, point C. There's point C. I'll freehand sketch them in a moment. Okay, if I want to get the points on the back now here of the curve, okay, look, a smart way is to take the depth of it now in our axonometric or in our trimetric projection, take that distance there with my compass. Now look, I'm going to step from A onto the projection line from A, the same with B, and the same with C. Okay, and same with number 5. And they won't all be heavy. Now, I'm going to untape this now and sketch it in. So, with that sketched in, just a bit too heavy here. Now we have to do, alright, the handle. The hands clocks are in the image and in elevation. Show the hands in what you call it, the hands of the clock in this position in the axonometric view. Right, so we have to locate these hands in plan view. Right, so I'm going to get my set squares. I'm going to draw these down onto the axis. I'm going to label this E, F, and CP. Right, I'm going to get my compass. I'm going to take this distance here for E. I'm going to step E there. Careful not to step from there. Inward there. Now I'm going to do the same with F. So I'm going to get my compass, take F, mark in there. So E, F. Now I need to get the center point. So I actually have the center line here coming from B. So I'm going to take up or project down the center point. Here we go. There's the center point. Now I'm going to project down E. And I'm going to project down F. Now I'm going to project up E from plan. So E is along this line, and I'm really going to need to project it down again because it is very tough, okay, to figure out where it's coming from. It's quite hard for us there to figure it out. So it's coming up from this line from plan. We bring down this set square, and there's point E. Now that's hard, okay, and then F. So I haven't brought up the F yet. So I'm going to bring F up from plan. Here's point F. Now I'm going to join them together. See, here's their center point. T. And then to F for the handles on the clock face. Now, look at, not that easy, that question. Not that easy.